Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Scout 215 XSF. Starting off with the hull color, this is a midnight blue with the white bottom. This boat was custom ordered for one of our customers, taking delivery soon. It has the Elite package, which includes the hardtop, the removable backrests, along with the stern seat in the back. We've got full U-shaped seating here in the bow, with storage beneath both on the port and starboard side. Cup holders here in the foredeck, along with access to your anchor. Big chase lounge just forward of the console, easily seats two mid-sized adults or a parent and a child. Big, large coffin box, insulated lid, so this space will keep ice. It's also drained, and you can see it's really deep, really versatile storage space. Moving back, we've got a recessed area on both sides of the boat with some nod skid, so you can put your phones here and they won't be sliding around everywhere. Two cup holders on both sides. New Fusion stereo with Bluetooth speakers. Back inside the console, we've got our battery switch, batteries, and a ton of open storage space. You've got about 5 feet of headroom inside here. Here at the helm, this boat was equipped with a 9-inch Garmin done from the factory. Again, Fusion stereo is standard. We've got the optional trim tabs with the optional LED indicators that show where your tabs are positioned. Digital throttle and shift with a new binnacle from Yamaha. Tilt wheel with a steering knob comes standard with the boat. We've got bolsters that adjust independently of each other so the driver can lean while the passenger sits, but you've got a good, comfortable position whether you're seated or you're standing. Also did a VHF from the factory during production on this boat. Coming back to the stern, when the stern seat is in the folded up position, it serves as a nice padded bolster if you're doing any fishing off this back end, and then deploys really easily, comfortably seats two. You're within an arm's reach of the helm seat for safety. Stows up nice and easy and gives you access to your bilge area. Nice finished out bilge, easy to get to everything, all of your systems, strainers, everything like that. Also a good area for storage. On the port side aft, you've got a standard bait well that's lit and aerated. You've got 4 rod holders along the back, 2 cup holders, recessed cleats. We did a freshwater system on this boat. We've got a lockable, closable cockpit door, so easy access into the cockpit on the starboard side. Swim ladder off to the starboard side as well, with the twin swim platforms that also conceal the trim tab, so easy to get in and out of the boat really safely. Digital throttle and shift on the 150 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. Pushes this boat really nicely in the mid-40s. And again, up on the hardtop, we've got spreader lights both fore and aft. That's a look at our 215 XSF from Scout Boats. If you have any questions or interest about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.